We want to create a modern cottage that focuses on pure geometry, that was compact and space efficient at the same time. So in this modern cottage, we have a rectangular plan with a central core that incorporates bathroom, kitchen, utility, and all the plumbing at the same time. And this central core split the building into two parts. We have the private side with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. And we have the public side with open concept kitchen, living, and dining all in one place. And the building shape of this cottage is geometric. We have extended eave to create a perfect triangle right at the roof. And we also added a rectangular fixed window below to create a geometric composition. And this fixed window brings tons of light into the open living and kitchen dining. So in this design, I mix Japanese space planning, Scandinavian design, and American cottage and Miss Van der Rohe modern design theory in one plan.